everyone. I hope you're doing okay. It is a few days until Christmas, and I did have another video that I was planning to upload with, but I still have to finish it, and my computer is being kind of wonky right now because I'm trying to upload the footage, but it just doesn't want to upload right now, so hopefully I can get that, but it might come after Christmas. So for today, I figured I will try this DIY 3D craft kit. So I figured this might be easy to make a video with, and so let's get started. Alright, so this is the kit. I got it from Dollar Tree, and I thought it would look cute. So basically this is the base, and here are the pieces to it. The tree is already colored with glitter. And for this, I figured it would be easiest to use my paint pens, which are mostly Posca pens. I do have also some of the Karen Deco brush, and then the Mondo Llama and some Sharpie paint pens and stuff as well. But we have all these lovely things, so this way we can try coming up with something. Here is what this little decoration looks like. I think it came out really adorable, even with the candy cane mistake of the candy canes being upside down. It still is really cute, and I had fun making it. And I hope that you enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!